And we board our flight, Siem Reap to Singapore. Now at this airport it is unsheltered and hopefully it doesn't rain, but it is really quite fun to walk out onto the tarmac to board the plane. Look at the storm clouds brewing.
Pretty airport.
Like a resort?
Yep.
We were the only plane at the airport. Singapore Airlines Boeing 737 just arrived an hour ago and now heading back to Singapore with pretty much a full load of passengers today from Siem Reap, Cambodia. There was no step-free access to the plane, so if you can't walk upstairs, I think you cannot come to Siem Reap, Cambodia. Please take note of that. And we board the aircraft, a Boeing 737 from Singapore Airlines.
Singapore Airlines. Hello. 43K.
Reached my row and now walking into my window seat. Yippee! This is the economy seat we have for the next 2 hours. Thank you ground crew for loading our bags. Otherwise our bags won't make it with us back home. In-flight entertainment system, touchscreen, pretty cool. I show you the space I had. And the seat, well, it is a short haul aircraft, so it's not exactly very spacious, but good enough for me. And the in-flight Wi-Fi actually works quite well because I have a complimentary 2-hour usage as KrisFlyer member, so I could WhatsApp. Cabin crew preparing the aircraft for takeoff. Started to rain heavily. Thankfully we are on board now. Whoa, look at that. Rain or shine, the ground crew will have to work, and thank you so much for guiding the aircraft out, Mr. Ground Crew. The rain looked very heavy indeed, and I'm glad we are underway. Hopefully takeoff will be smooth, and goodbye Siem Reap. We had a good time here. We were now taxiing for takeoff, and just like when we arrived and we depart, we were the only plane at the airport. This is how terrible COVID has been to the tourism economy of Siem Reap, Cambodia. The touch screen in front of us was really quite sensitive, fun to play with. Live TV was available, which was really nice. And yes, the Queen had just passed away, Queen Elizabeth II, and there was plenty of news on the BBC. Yes. And once we are in the air, cabin crew started to prepare and serve the meals. Yes, we will get some dinner on board. Dinner is served. For dinner, I noticed wines were available too and beer, but I didn't get any. My food has arrived and we get to eat laksa in a box. Laksa in a box. How novel, never had laksa in a box before. The laksa fitted very snugly into the box and it was very warm when I ate it. And yes, the taste was very good, very impressive for a food in a box. Just be careful not to spill any on yourself. Done with my meal, and we still had 1 hour and 17 minutes to go on this 2-hour flight. So let's watch some live TV. Short flight, so the crew have to work fast to clear everything up and keep everything in the entire plane, because we will be landing or starting to descend for landing quite soon. Yes. Managed to catch this beautiful photographs of sun rays. Wow, amazing. Wow, look at that.
We just commenced a descent into Singapore. Estimated time of arrival is 7:15 local time. Weather in London to Singapore is partly cloudy, the surface temperature of 28 degrees. The captain and the rest of the crew are thank you for
And the plane lands. The flight was really good for a 2-hour flight. We got a full meal on board, which was excellent. Yes, Singapore Airlines, great way to fly. It's a Boeing 737, and we just came in from Siem Reap to Singapore. We are now safely on the ground. Thank you to captain and crew for bringing us safely home, back to the familiar Singapore Changi Airport. We would be docking or going to Terminal 3, the aero-bridge there. Well, it was a great flight. A short getaway from Singapore. Siem Reap, Cambodia is very easy to go because Singapore Airlines flies once a day. And glad that we make this trip. Just a short way from work and home, and yeah, we are back. Welcome home, welcome to Changi. Thank you very much for watching.